claim it can soothe discomforts that many treatments only mask and even promise noticeable improvements within 2 days. Stay with me, because you might be surprised at how many common ailments, from digestive disturbances to skin irritations, can be eased with two ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. What makes this remedy intriguing is the way these two elements complement each other. Neither baking soda nor apple cider vinegar is celebrated on its own. Together, they create a balanced reaction that supports pH equilibrium and gentle detoxification. Apple cider vinegar, rich in acetic acid, not only bolsters healthy digestion, but also provides a natural antimicrobial boost. Meanwhile, baking soda acts as a buffering agent that neutralizes excess acidity, allowing your body to process food and toxins more efficiently. This synergy, noted by doctors long before modern studies began to isolate individual compounds, is rooted in simple chemistry and holistic balance. In the following sections, we'll explore how this blend can target 21 different health concerns based on the observations of practitioners who have seen its benefits firsthand. You don't need elaborate preparations or exotic ingredients, just a little kitchen wisdom passed down through generations. Whether you're dealing with frequent bloating, stubborn heartburn, or even recurring skin issues, this remedy offers a gentle nudge toward relief without the complexity of modern pharmaceutical regimens. For instance, many individuals with digestive upset, those suffering from gassiness and bloating, report near-instant relief after taking this mixture. Apple cider vinegar helps stimulate digestion by breaking down food more effectively, while baking soda buffers excess acid that can lead to uncomfortable gas. Taken about 30 minutes before meals, a small dose can help stabilize stomach acid levels so that your digestive process becomes smoother and more efficient. Users often mention feeling lighter and more comfortable by the next day, with meals tasting less heavy and burdensome. Similarly, for those troubled by heartburn and acid reflux, the remedy offers a natural alternative to over-the-counter antacids. In many cases, acid reflux isn't solely caused by too much stomach acid. It can also result from an imbalance where the stomach produces insufficient acid. Here, apple cider vinegar supplies a mild, beneficial acidity that encourages proper closure of the stomach sphincter, while baking soda neutralizes any excessive acid on contact. This balanced approach has helped many regain the ability to enjoy tangy foods without the fear of painful reflux, often showing improvements within a couple of days. Oral health, 2. Benefits from this simple blend. Persistent bad breath, for example, is sometimes not just a matter of poor oral hygiene, but can be linked to imbalances in digestion. By improving digestive processes and reducing the fermentation of food in the stomach, the mixture helps cut down on odor-causing compounds. Gargling with a diluted solution of baking soda and apple cider vinegar can polish away plaque and neutralize harmful acids, leaving your mouth feeling cleaner and your breath fresher by the next morning. For those sudden episodes of sore throat, whether due to seasonal changes or environmental irritants, a warm gargle made from this blend can work wonders. The mild antimicrobial properties of apple cider vinegar disrupt the environment in which harmful bacteria and viruses thrive, while baking soda soothes inflamed tissues. Many report a steady decline in throat discomfort after a few rounds of gargling throughout the day. Sinus congestion, a frequent frustration during allergy season or mild infections, can also be addressed with this remedy. The natural effervescence that occurs when the two ingredients mix helps thin mucus and ease sinus pressure. Some even add a dash of the mixture to hot water for a gentle steam inhalation, experiencing relief as the vapors open up, block nasal passages, and clear congestion. Skin issues present another area of promise. When internal balance is restored, many people notice clearer skin, reduced acne, and calmer rashes. Apple cider vinegar's astringent and antibacterial properties work to keep skin pores clear, while baking soda ensures that the pH remains stable enough to avoid irritation. Some even apply a very diluted solution directly to problematic areas, achieving a reduction in oiliness and a noticeable improvement in overall skin tone. Joint discomfort, often a result of uric acid buildup and inflammation, may also be alleviated by this approach. By helping the body process waste and reducing inflammatory responses, the mixture has been reported to ease morning stiffness and joint pain, benefits that can be especially valuable for those who prefer natural alternatives to conventional pain relievers. Likewise, individuals dealing with gout have found that using this remedy during flare-ups, along with dietary adjustments and proper hydration, can lead to milder and shorter episodes. The benefits extend to post-exercise recovery as well. Many active individuals and older adults say that sipping the blend after a workout helps flush out lactic acid and eases muscle soreness, allowing them to return to their routines faster. In cases of urinary discomfort, a twice-daily dose combined with increased water intake creates a less hospitable environment for bacteria, offering relief from mild symptoms without immediately resorting to antibiotics. Even preventive measures come into play. Regular use of the mixture has been associated with maintaining a healthy urinary balance, potentially discouraging the formation of kidney stones. For fungal infections affecting the skin or nails, the acidity of apple cider vinegar creates an inhospitable environment for fungus, while baking soda further balances the pH to inhibit its growth. This dual-action approach has also been noted to reduce body odor by lowering internal toxin levels and supporting better digestion, which in turn reduces the release of odorous compounds through sweat. In addition to these benefits, some users observe improvements in metabolic support. Apple cider vinegar has been known to modestly improve insulin sensitivity and stabilize blood sugar levels when taken as part of a healthy, low glycemic diet. This can lead to reduced cravings, steadier energy levels, and even some assistance in weight management, all without the need for drastic dietary changes. Other anecdotal reports mention subtle improvements in cholesterol profiles, better regulation of blood pressure when the sodium content is carefully managed, and even a boost in immune function as the body becomes less hospitable to pathogens. In times of stress and fatigue, the blend may help restore a more balanced internal state, contributing to improved sleep quality and overall vitality. If you decide to try this remedy, remember that moderation is essential. Most old doctors advise starting with half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar mixed in a glass of water, taken once or twice daily. Monitor your body's response closely, and if you have chronic conditions or a particularly sensitive system, consult your healthcare provider before starting. There's no grand formula or complex regimen here, just a simple glass containing 2 everyday ingredients that might be the natural solution you've been searching for. Over time, and with careful use, you may find that this straightforward approach not only alleviates persistent discomforts, but also helps restore a sense of balance and well-being. Health need not be complicated. A few minutes a day with this simple drink could become a cornerstone of your self-care routine, bridging the gap between persistent discomfort and a more balanced, resilient life. The improvements might be swift and subtle, yet profound enough to inspire you to share this tip with someone you care about. The best discoveries in life are often the simplest. Feel free to share with friends and subscribe.